Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to set Parental Controls TCL Android TV. Press Home to access the home screen. Press Settings. Scroll to System, then press OK. Scroll to TV Lock, then press OK. Enter your 4-digit PIN, then press OK. The default password is 1234. If you have changed the password after the initial setup, use the new password. From the Parental Controls menu, you have the ability to block access to desired channels, inputs, and certain program restrictions. For example, age restrictions, channel lock, parental rating, inputs lock. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.